I love the impact that doors and windows can have on a property and the way we use a property. Our homes are completely dictated by the doors and windows that you use. They're almost the facial features of a building, and yet we can completely take them for granted at times.
The culture at Origin is incredibly important to us. Our family started this business, myself and Neil, my cousin. We genuinely think that our staff, our employees here, the Origin family, is our greatest asset.
Good afternoon, Origin. Rebecca speaking.
Here at Origin, our vision is to transform the way families enjoy their home, from inside to out. And we do this by
bringing innovative, elegant architectural products to market that offer genuine value.
Delivering goods to our customers on time, in full, every time.
Providing an unparalleled customer service experience.
Communicating honestly, helpfully and respectfully.
Creating a culture of inclusivity, family, kindness and trust.
When I started at Origin, the business was a small family business, and they asked me to be the managing director. And I said at the time that my mission was to make Origin the business that I always wanted to work for.
The Origin is, I think, it's my opinion, it's a good company.
I'm happy, I'm very happy. I got lots of friends here.
I really like the way they're working, and they're treating people, the employees. It's more like a family.
I look forward to coming to work. I used to get the Sunday blues, but now it's completely different.
Personally, I wake up every morning and can't wait to come into work, but maybe I'm a bit strange. But I actually think that's the same for a lot of people that work here, and they really do enjoy it.
I like working for Origin because even the CEOs know your name. Never in my life the CEO coming to see me and say, hello, Maria.
Culturally, we look after people, we support people.
Origin helps us a lot with the language.
I feel they support me.
They look after me very well, and they're taking notice of the quality work I do.
Working for Origin is, for me, great because of the potential.
Working at Origin is very fulfilling and never boring.
The doors are always open for anyone who needs further development.
Origin gives me a good position to develop myself.
It is hard work, but the pride you get out sending out good windows and seeing from start to finish the process that you do is worth it.
Work hard, play hard. That is my thing.
I get excited about the work I'm going to do for the week. Looking forward to helping the company with its vision and mission.
It's really important that the overall vision of what we're trying to achieve at Origin is understood by everybody within the company.
The thread of the family actually runs through everything that goes on in the workplace.
For me, it is about the people. It's the way we treat each other.
Everyone's serious about their job, but have a smile on their face, are friendly. A lot of people I don't know, they will still say hello to me if I walk past or shake my hand, and everyone's all very inclusive.
And it's impossible not to succeed here because everybody is there to help each other.
I do feel personally I'm a valued member of the team at Origin. There's always someone there you can talk to, and they always seem to value your opinion.
There's always someone there to listen and to sort of talk through with you your options. That's what really, for me, makes working at Origin the best place to work.
We have become one big family. No longer is it just our core family members, but everyone that joins sort of becomes part of this wider Origin family. Without them, we couldn't do what we do. We wouldn't be able to make Origin the success it is.
Understanding where your passion lies is so fundamentally important to building any business. To understand that the products we make such a huge difference in people's lives.